Okay, so if you are trying to download the textbook, there's a couple things you should know. First, the main text is called the missinglink.site. Now, this is probably not the best textbook. It's kind of really technical and a lot of reading and less like practical examples, but it's kind of the only stable book that we know is going to stay online. Instead, these are probably your better, like if you want to learn faster and easier, the learn.shayhow.com, that's probably the best one. And all these will help. They all have practical examples. But these ones, Shayhow could decide to take this down any day now, and then we'd be without a textbook. So just know that. But for this particular tutorial video, we're going to make sure that you can get the missing link. So we're going to click on that site and open it up. And it's going to come to this home page. And this is where it talks about you can purchase a version from Amazon, and it explains what it's all about. And then you can go to download. We don't want to donate. I mean, you should donate if you can, but whatever. So let's download. Okay, so when you get to this page, this is where you can go through and look through the table of contents, and you can jump to each of those chapters, and these are going to be like the HTML versions of the book. But if that's not going to work for you, let's say you're offline for some reason, you also have the options to download the PDF, download it as an ebook, like if you want to read it on your Kindle or whatever the case may be. And again, you can read it online, which is the same as coming over to these tables of contents. So if you have any questions, let me know, but otherwise that should work.